this TRITON USB 2.0 video display that to add additional monitor to my computer. As you can see, I have 1, 2, 3 screens, and the main computer I'm using actually is a laptop right now. It has a VGA port here that I have connected to and the HDMI port here. Unfortunately, the computer only supports 2 displays, the internal one here, and I'm using a 20-inch screen right now. So I want to add this 28-inch screen TV has a third monitor. Now I used those 2.0 devices before, but the problem is it can display websites, extend the desktop well, but it was able to play video, especially high definition video. Well, when I saw this one on sale for $19.95 from I think Tiger Direct, it said it can support up to let's see, 4 monitors, each at 1920 times 1200. Here's the device itself, VGA DVI extender. Here's the USB. I get back once I open this device. Okay, so the box is opened. This is the USB device. Here is a DVI output with adapter. So I think I'm going to use the VGA adapter. Here is a CD driver. The instruction tells us to install the software first and then plug in the device. And it's just a standard USB. Okay. Once the CD is inserted, a monitor will come up. It says install driver. So let's going to click on install driver. Windows asking for permission. I'm going to say yes. Hit next. Yes to the agreement. Relatively fast, it seems. So far, less than a minute. Installing device right now. Okay, it says the installation wizard is finished. Click done. I'm just going to turn this off. Now I'm going to physically install the USB device and then come back afterwards. Okay, the device is now plugged in. I decided to use a DVI to HDMI cable instead of a VGA cable. Once the device is plugged in, the computer began to install additional drivers and is now asking me to restart the computer. I'm going to go ahead and do that. So far, this says no signal on my additional monitor, third monitor. Once the computer restarted, the USB 2.0 device is on. I can see there's a little light indicator that's inside the unit. My built-in monitor from the laptop is on. My VGA display is on, and so is my USB 2.0 device. Okay, let's see if I can configure this into personalize, and let's go to display. Okay. Once the computer is restarted, I do see 3 displays. One for the laptop, one for my VGA, one for the USB 2.0 device. Now, as you can see from the screen, under display properties, the USB device is not shown. So I figured to click on here, the display location, and it indeed showed there's 3 monitors here. Click OK. Let's see if there's any config that can extend the resolution. Anything there? Nope, not sonic focus. Nuisance. Okay, once I set up the monitor, there's 3 of them. I located the little icon that's in here. You right click on it. It will give you a menu. USB VGA extended. That's what we want. So 3 monitors, primary mirror rotation. Let's keep it at 0 degrees, standard. USB VGA off. No, I don't want to turn it off unless I'm playing a game or something. It probably will slow it down. I'm using the built-in graphics on this i5-2450M processor already, so it's not very fast already. It's using the Intel HD 3000 graphics. But the key here is the resolution. That's a 1080p monitor, so I can set it to 1920 by 1080 times 16 bit color. It says reverting. I click OK. See, here's the resolution. I have YouTube on. Let's just see if we'll play a YouTube video. Okay, that plays fine. Full screen. Apparently not. Half side, yes. Now let's go try some HD video and YouTube. Let's take a look. Okay, that's a 720p video playing on YouTube, so apparently it plays as long as it's a small window. Let's go to full screen. Nothing. Okay, now let's see a typical video. Here's a 720p HD video. Let's play it. Hear the sound from the speaker. Nope, the screen don't move. But if I move it to half the screen, it moves. Plays in window and full screen on the main monitor. Going back to the USB 2.0. Moving a little bit. Stopped. The next thing I'm going to do is turn this off, plug the device into a USB 3.0 port. It shouldn't matter because that's a USB 2.0 device, but let's try it anyway. Just plug it into the USB 3.0. Screen comes up. Resolution is fine, but no video. Moving to it, it comes back. Stuck. There's just not enough bandwidth to play videos. Now, what if I change the resolution from 1080 to maybe 720p type of resolution? Click OK. Refresh the screen, but the screen video got stuck again. Nothing here. Now, what if I try to play another video, just a smaller clip? Plays here. Again, nothing on this monitor. So the resolution setting actually don't really matter. So I guess if I want to keep this device, I will use it for browsing on YouTube, and definitely not for gaming or videos. So can't use it as a media center monitor. The next thing I'm going to do is changing the cables. This one is connected to DVI to HDMI cable. So what I'm going to do is plug this, the VGA directly to the 28-inch monitor, and my main monitor to DVI to HDMI switch, because the monitor supports that as well, and see if that will do any better. Alright, just changed the cable. Now I have the HDMI cable going to my main monitor here, the 20-inch, The device now connects to a VGA cable to the back of this LCD TV. Now, again, just to show the video plays, full screen as well. Moving it to this screen, half screen works. Again, stops. So it doesn't matter if I use a VGA cable or DVI HDMI cable, there's just not enough bandwidth within the USB 2.0 for playing video.